Hello, my name is Joshua, and today I'm going to show you how to submit an in-kind precious metals distribution. So first you want to log into the online portal, then you want to look for the quick links box, click Take Distribution, select your account. If you want to distribute everything in the account and close it, then click on Full Distribution. If not, select Partial. Select In-Kind Precious Metals Distribution, click Next. Select the distribution type. Usually it's either normal or premature, but if you're unsure, please consult with a CPA. Select the precious metals you want to distribute. Enter the number of coins or units. You have to click this box, which just means that you understand that the market value will fluctuate. So the value of the distribution will be on the day that we process it. So let's say you submit the distribution request today and we don't get to process it until next Tuesday, for example. The market value on Tuesday is the value that will be shown as the recorded distribution value. Select whether you want any withholding. If not, you can leave it there. You have a few options here. We can deliver it to the address on file, or you can also select a different location. But if you do select a different location, we require a notarized and signed letter from you confirming what metals you're going to distribute and the address. If there are any special delivery instructions, enter them here. If not, you can leave it blank. Click Next. On this page, there are fees associated with this precious metals distribution, which are shipping fees, and we'll get into that a little later. So you just want to indicate how you want to pay those shipping fees. Click Next. Click on the box. Click Submit. And there you go. You submitted a precious metals distribution request. So we're going to review this in 1 to 2 business days. If everything is in order, then we will reach out to the depository to get the shipping estimates. When we do so, the status of this transaction is going to change to shipping estimates requested. Once we have those estimates, then we'll change the status again to pending shipping approval. At that point, you can log back in. Let's say if you're logging in just from scratch, you just want to go ahead and click on this activity tab. Scroll down under this select activity type box, click one-time distributions, and you should see the most recent distribution request here. Click on the activity ID. On this page, you're going to see a new box that says shipping options. You want to click on that and select which shipping option you want. At that point, the status is going to change again to shipping instructions received. We're going to send that information to the depository. Then it's going to change again to pending precious metals shipment. And once the depository lets us know that the metals have been shipped, we will change it to completed. And that is how to submit a precious metals distribution. Thank you.